Welcome to our carpentry in Sunway University. This is the place that we are allowing our students to build prototype with wood-based materials. You can see we have all the machines that we had designing for our students to actually allow them to build prototyping. One of the things that highlight in SunU, I would say, is a project base. So now you see our project labs, we have so much of 3D printers to allowing students to actually develop different projects based on the 3D materials. We also have wood-based materials, allowing students to actually build from scratch. So they can use wood-based material to develop projects. And this is all the equipment that we have. At the end of that place, you can also see this is the place that we would like to show. It's also using a liquid 3D printers. Just now you saw the 3D printers that we had is mainly solid phase, right? So you use the starch-based material to print. But that one, the size of the I would say the fineness of the product is purely based on the printer head. In order for you to print a very nano material scale kind of chamber that you use it for, like for example, in the aerospace industry, you want to create nano reaction in the micro chamber. Such printer will not be able to do the job. And you need this kind of printer. And this is what we call liquid phase printer. They're using a liquid phase and then to create micro channel inside. And you can't even see the micro. You have to use microscope to see the chamber. And that is what we had prepared for our students now.
Nice.
And you can see these are all the other machinery that we have designing, built for our students. And one of the highlights of this room is also we are in an air conditioning system. The challenge of air conditioning systems in the carpentry is always the fine dust. Because as a chemical engineers, you know we are facing something called dust explosion. It may have caught a fire or explosion based on fine dust. And in order to avoid that happening and safety precautions, we actually built our own dust collectors. You can see we have 4 full units here to collect all the dust that actually captured during the operation of this space. And therefore, we can maintain very clean this space. Although the lab has been utilized by the students, the place is still clean and not dusty because we have this dust collector. And once in a while, we need to collect the dust from the bottom by our lab technicians. Welcome to our carpentry of the Sunway University. In this lab, we're not only having the printers, carpentry, the workshop, we also have our 3D printers, the laser cutter. And with this laser cutter, we can actually do engraving on cutting the shape of the materials based on what we want. This is a wood material. We can also using the 3D cutters into using metal plate and others as well. And we also have all the other machines. Basically, this room is designing to have capturing the air to the outside so we won't fall the smoke and the smell. And we were able to do soldering here as well as also the welding machine is actually located in this space. Welcome to Sunway Workshop. This is the place that we are actually allowing students to build material or build project on the metal. So now we learn about wood, right? And then 3D printers. Now we come to the metal area. You can see this is actually the first that we have arrived in the private university in Malaysia, 6-dimensional CNC machine. What is this machine for? It's allowing us to build metal block and then cut into 6-dimensional. X, Y, Z, rotation, left and right. So this is what we call 6-dimensional CNC machine. Probably in the first in the private university in Malaysia. We don't have found it everywhere. And you can see it's still assembly. It just was delivered last Saturday. So a few days ago, though the team are just still assembly. And we have more other machines. We have the milling machine here. You can come on this side. Also just ready to be open very soon. So hopefully by a week from now, we are able to open this space for our students.